back to another phonics lesson with Miss Anita. This is the place where children learn their letter sounds and also gain skills on how to use those letter sounds to learn to read. If you're new here, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the lessons. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. This is lesson 7 and let's get into it. Today we are thinking about a new sound. I have some pictures for you to give you a clue about this sound. So if you know these pictures, please shout them out. Alright, I wonder what is this? Can you name this? How about this? What do we have here? Yes, you are right. We have mat, map, milk. All these words start with the same sound. I wonder if you can hear that sound at the beginning of each word. Let's check together. Mat, map, milk. Which sound is that? Yes, you are right. All these words begin with the sound and the sound is written like this. Everyone say My turn. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. I would like you to say 3 times to the person next to you. I'll speak to my learning buddy. All right. Good job. All right. Now that we can hear sound in spoken words, can you think of words that have sound in them? Pause the video and have a think. Let me think as well. Yes, I thought of 3 words as well. I am going to sound talk these words and you're going to blend these sounds together to figure out the words. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Moon. You're right. Man. Excellent. Good job. And the last one is mitten. Well done. Good job. You are working really hard, boys and girls. You can hear sound in spoken words. You can recognize sound when it's written down. Now, let's have a go at writing sound. First, we shall practice with glitter. Feel free to use anything you have at home. It can be salt, it can be sugar, it can be sand, it can be paint, anything that is available. All right. I will go first and then you'll have your turn after me. This sound is a little bit tricky because there are lots of movements involved, but let's practice. Okay. We go down, up, over the bridge, down, up again, over the bridge, and down. Your turn. Okay, let me do another one. Down, up, over the bridge, down, up, over the bridge, down. Your turn. Okay, and the last one. Down, up, over the bridge, down, up, over the bridge, down. Excellent. Good job. Now, get your whiteboard and a marker. or a pencil and a paper so that we can write sound. Okay, I'll go first and you will have your turn. Okay, all right. Down, up. Sorry, let me do it again. Down, up, over the bridge, down, up, over the bridge, down. Look, these 2 points are at the same level. Let's try again. Oh, have a go. Okay, one more time. Let me draw a line here. Okay, so down, up, over the bridge, down, up, over the bridge, down. Excellent. Now, have a turn. And after that, I'd like you to write this sound 3 times as you say it. Ready? Let's go. Okay. Excellent. Well done. Okay. Well done, boys and girls. You've worked really hard on the sound today. Remember, there are lots of phonics lessons on this channel. I encourage you to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe because this will help you to get a notification whenever a new lesson is uploaded. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.